Hey everybody, Jay Bird here again. My last post wasn't to bash Air Venturi or the Avenger. It was just to point out, check all your air guns, because I have found numerous air guns in the past that have some type of bent receiver. And just by checking with the string. That's why I check the scope alignment with the end of the barrel with a string. Because if the scope ain't in line with the barrel, it is not going to do no good. And having a bent receiver is some of the problems that we face with certain things. But that's the first one I've ever found by Air Venturi Avenger. I found them in AEA. I found them in FX, the flaws. That's why I no longer mess with FX. And some of my BB guns. I mean, come on, man. Just check your stuff. That's all I was asking for y'all to do. Y'all peace out.